Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Book of Science. Today I am teaching about 8th class biology 6th chapter circulatory system. In this class we will learn what is the structure of the heart. First of all, we will learn the heart diagram and the parts. This is the main step. If we will learn any essay question, structure of the essay question, we must learn the diagram and the parts. Second one, we will learn some questions of the structure. What is the questions? What is the size of the heart? What is the weight of the heart? Where it is located? What is the membranes called? What is the fluid? What are the functions of the heart? And what are the parts are there? So these type of side headings we must learn. So in this class we will learn structure of heart. First point, size. What is the heart size? The heart size has once folded fist. So this is folded fist. So this is the size of my heart. Next, weight. What is the weight of the heart? The heart weight about 225 grams to 340 grams. Where it is located? Location. It is located in the center of the chest cavity with its tip slightly tilted to the left side. We draw the heart shape just like this, but this is not correct. It is just slightly tilted to left side. So this is the diagram. This is correct one. Next, membrane. It is enclosed within a protective double-layered membrane called pericardium. Double-layered means two layer. Heart covered two layer. So these layers are called membranes. So membranes are called pericardium. Next, fluid. Fluid means liquid. The space between the two membranes filled with a fluid called pericardial fluid. So this fluid is called pericardial fluid. What is the importance of this fluid? The fluid protects the heart from shocks, jerks or any mechanical stress. Next, functions. What are the main function of the heart? The main function of the heart is receive and pump the blood to keep circulating in the blood through blood vessels. So this is the main function of the heart. Next, what are the main parts in the heart? So internally, heart is divided vertically into a left and right portion by a membrane called as septum. So this is the heart shape. It is just the tip is slightly tilted to the left side. This is the heart shape. So the vertically heart is divided a membrane. It is called a septum. Next one. This is right side. This is left side. Each half is horizontally divided into two chambers. Upper chamber is called auricle, lower chamber is called ventricle. Here this is the horizontal membrane. So heart has four chambers. Upper side two chambers, down side two chambers. So upper side chambers are called auricles, down side chambers are called ventricles. So here this is the right, this is the left. So it is the right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. So heart has four chambers. Upper two chambers are auricles, lower two chambers are ventricles. Next, we learn auricles. Auricles are called receiving chambers. They receive blood. So auricles are called receiving chambers. So here auricles received blood from all body parts. They are smaller and have thin walls. Next, ventricles. These are distributing chambers. They pump blood into lungs and blood vessels and distribute blood to all body parts. They are bigger in size, walls are thick, elastic, muscular. So, to efficient to pump blood to all the body parts. This is the ventricles. Next, valves. Heart has three types of valves. What is this? Tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, tricuspid valve, bicuspid valve, and semilunar valve. First one, tri. Tri means three. Cusps means flaps. Tricuspid valve. The right auricle opening into the right ventricle, the opening is guarded by the valve is called tricuspid valve. This is the right auricle. The right auricle enters into the right ventricle. Here this is the valve. These valves is called tricuspid valve. Next, bicuspid valve. Bi means two. The opening between left auricle and left ventricle is guarded by the bicuspid valve. Here this is the left auricle, this is left ventricle. Left auricle, left ventricle. The left auricle enters into the left ventricle. Here this is the bicuspid valves. What is the main function of these valves? These valves regulates the flow of blood in one direction, means from auricle to ventricles. So the blood is only direction from up to down. So the valves are closed. Only the blood flow in one direction. Next, semilunar valves. Where it is present in the heart? Semilunar valve. Semilunar means this is the semilunar, half moon, just like a half moon. So the blood flows from the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery and from the left ventricle into the aorta. Here this is the right ventricle into the pulmonary artery. This is the right ventricle to the, this is pulmonary artery. Here valves is present, and also from left ventricle to aorta. In the aorta also valves. So what is the main function of the valves? The flow of blood from the ventricles into these two arteries is regulated by valves, that is half moon shaped. So these valves present at the opening where the pulmonary artery and aorta leave the right and left ventricles. The blood doesn't flow back into the vessels. So what is the main function of the valves are the blood doesn't flow back into the vessels. So this is the main parts and structure of the heart. So we learn main 10 side headings: size, weight, location, membrane, fluid, functions, parts, auricles, ventricles, and valves. So this is the main important points of the heart structure. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my channel.